Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to find database ID in Notion. This is very simple. First, I will select the database inline, and right now I will show you where you can find this ID for this database. Click on Open as full page. This is essential in order to find your ID, and now simply string after notion.seo, and right here, all this string is your ID. It ends with the question mark. So as you can see, there is your database ID. You have to have it open as full page. And now right here, this is your database ID. Here you can see also your view ID if you want. So that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.